Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Oren from Incredibox. So let's get started. To draw this cute sprunky, let's first start by drawing 2 circles for the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and just draw a big circle. And then I'm going to come across just right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There, so you have 2 big circles, and then we're going to draw a line to cut it all in half. So right about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a straight line across. Come over and do the same thing on the other eye. And then from there, we need to come in right here and draw a half circle. And then shade it all in. And same thing over here. Okay, there. So now that I have that in, let's go ahead and draw a smile. So come down and say about, you know what, let's draw the smile later, because we need to make sure that we put this head inside a circle, right? I mean the eyes inside a circle. So I'm going to come to the side first so that I know how low to put the mouth. So I'm going to come back and let's see here. Let's say the top of the eye. I'm going to come out really close to the eye. I'm going to come about right here, give myself 2 points. So same thing here, straight down. So I'm going to come right here and draw a line straight down next to the eye. And I'm going to end at the same height as the eye. And then move it up just a tiny bit. And move it down just a tiny bit. And then we're going to come right here and just create a rectangle. So you just want to make sure this rectangle here is just slightly taller than your eye. There. So same thing on the other side. Just get really close to it. And the top, just like the other side, about right here. Bottom. So just draw a line coming down, same height, and then go down a little bit more. And same thing here. So just make sure it's about the same, and then go ahead and thicken it up. There. Okay, so 1001. And then from there, let's see here. Let's come over here and we're going to draw another half circle, kind of like earphones. And in. So same thing here. To make it rounder. Sorry. Okay, there. And then let's see, now we can go ahead and draw the circle head. So I'm going to come right here and just give myself a point here and here. So same thing. Oh no, I'll be on this side, right here and here. Those 4 points is where I'm going to try my best to connect a curve to create a circle head. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. I'm going to bring it down and And of course, if you're not comfortable doing this, you can always start off with something to trace a big circle with. Then you can just draw everything over it. There. Got my half curve there, and then we're going to do the same thing at the bottom. So, and here. And connect. There. Okay, so then from there, it's more of an oval, but I think it looks better. then the circle, and then from there, let's see here. We need to finally draw the smile. So now that we know this is the bottom part, we can come about right here and draw a curve, because the mouth is a bit lower. And cap it off. There. And then we need to draw some hair, so I'm going to come about right here and draw this slanted W. Come towards the center and then zigzag up. And then some brows right here over the eye. So just a curve. Another one right here. There, very chill, very cool, right? And then the band for the headphones. So we're going to come right here, and we need to end right here. So I'm just going to draw a curve over our head. And bring it down. So this is about our center. And come down to our point. And definitely make any adjustments you need. These are very big shapes. Okay, and then I'm just going to thicken everything up. So this is a little bit easier because you're just going to follow this curve you created. So whatever you created, just follow it and thicken it up. Oh my gosh, sorry. I said it was supposed to be easier. There, I moved my hand, so it makes it a little bit easier now for me to draw. So definitely turn your paper or your body. It's always key to helping you draw a lot better. Okay, there. So we finally have that, and I'm going to, when I'm looking at my camera, I'm going to pop this side out a little bit more compared to that side, right? Okay. Then from there, we need to come to the sides right here, and we need to draw a big circle. So just to make mine simpler, I'm just going to come about right here and just stick a circle right on here. And then just turn your body, and we need to towards the center, we need to angle this bar in here, so right there in the center. So same thing on the other side. I'm just going to come across, approximate about right here, and stick another circle. So it became a little bit smaller, so I'm just going to try to make it a little bit bigger to match the other side. Okay, there. And then once again, same thing. To angle. This bar right here so it connects everything. Okay. Then from there, let's see, what else are we missing? Oh, now the body. So let's come about right here. And here, I'm just going to center it. And we're just going to draw an angle line coming down. So this part in the original is much longer, but I don't have enough vertical space. I'm not going to make mine too tall. But just want to angle it all the way out. So same thing here. And from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. And of course, let's add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Sprunki from Incredibox. Oren, the orange one. But that is pretty much it. If you love this game and you want me to draw more of these characters, definitely let me know in the comments below. But for now, I really hope I helped you draw Oren here fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.